Guess where I am? I am at Acadia National Park, about to do the big reef hike. I chose a hard one on all trails because, I don't know, I like it harder. But the car's up there, it's parked on the side of the road. The parking lot, of course, is full. It's a packed parked area, and there's gonna be a lot of people. So we'll see how much we film, but join me as I hike through Acadia here for the next few days. Welcome to the Atlantic Ocean, folks. This is my first time back seeing the Atlantic since, well, not counting flying, when I was in the Marine Corps. So I don't think I've been to it since. I've been to London a few times, I've been to various other countries, but never the Atlantic Ocean. But we're back. It's beautiful. You can smell the salty water. I forgot that. It's weird when you're just going to Great Lakes and everything's fresh. There's tides here. I actually reminded myself I have to install another tide app so I can keep track of the tides, so I can do certain hikes. I don't know, because I like seeing low tide pools, so I'll have to check that out again. But today I'm doing the Beehive and Gorham mountain loop. A lot of the trails here are really short, so you kind of join them together to make a bigger, longer trail. It's going to be about 4.5 miles. It's less elevation than Bald Mountain, so I think it's going to be fine. It's supposedly a hard and scary hike, but after the AT, I feel like nothing's gonna be worse, you know? I'm just down here. There's actually someone playing in the water. It's quite cold. I'm just down here to check out the beach. This is not the trail. The trail goes that way, but I'm gonna head back right now. But I just want to see the ocean again, you know? Ocean waves. It's been a long time. Lots of people here though. I thought it's late in September. I thought there'd be less people here, but it's quite a lot. So anyway, let's get back to the trail and get going here. Well, we saw a warning that says it's gonna be dangerous and people got injured here. Well, I guess not dangerous, just that they're iron rungs that we gotta climb. Vertical faces, they say. What's funny is this Beehive trail is marked by blue blazes. No other markers, just blue blazes. It's always funny when it's a blaze. Now, just to avoid any confusion, I am here at Acadia National Park in Maine here, but I did go home after the AT, got my car. We drove up to Canada, stayed there for 3 weeks, and then I headed back south. And I actually hiked a portion of the AT that I had kind of not skipped, but did an alternate for. And I figured while I'm here in Maine, I'd head over to Acadia because I have never been here before, and it's nice. It's very nice. So I don't want people thinking that I finished a through hike and then just went straight to Acadia. I'm sure somebody would be like, wait a minute, why are you back in Maine? But it was because of Bald Mountain. I had to do that section that I did a bad weather bypass for. So now I'm hiking along, and this is called the Bowl. It's a big lake. It's right next to the Beehive Summit Trail, and then you just keep going and you get down here and then head south, and then eventually get back to the sand beach area where you start off for the Beehive. But I'm gonna go up Gorham Mountain after this. I figured that would be funny because, you know, we stayed at the town of Gorham, so it'd be nice to go up a Gorham Mountain. So let's head down the lake. There's some people over there. I shouldn't talk so much. And then we skirt around the lake a little and then shoot off.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue is the sky, like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find
I'm back in the car. It was a pretty nice hike, 3.5 miles, 787 feet gain, and then back down because I did a loop. Acadia, it seems like there are just tons of trails, so you can actually make a loop, any kind of loop you want, just, you know, based on your fitness and time. You can just do whatever you want. It's actually pretty nice. And a lot of the trail walks right along the east side of this island, and there are tons of trails that go down to the water itself, so you can just go down there, sit, picnic, and then head out. So it's pretty nice. I am going to try to do the entire loop. I'm going to head back towards camp now because it's 2 o'clock. I think it's going to take me an hour to take this road all the way over, and I still have to check in and get to my campsite. So I'm just going to do that now and then relax this evening, and then go to sleep early because I like to catch a sunrise in the morning. The Seawall campground is where I'm at, and there's a picnic area on the southeast side of the little peninsula there, and that should be a good spot for sunrise, I hope. So I'd like to wake up early in the morning, walk on over there, get the sunrise, and walk back to the car. We'll see if that happens, but wish me luck. But I'm gonna try to go to sleep early today.